Hello guys, welcome back to Nabil Designs. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create a 3D mockup. Okay, so first we just open our Google Chrome and the site you are going to make use of is known as smartmockups.com. okay, smartmockup.com. So a mockup has to do with what's the name, it has to do with a model where you can either place your designs. Okay, so it can be a t-shirt, it can be a frame, it can be any other thing. So all these are examples of mockups. So if you look at this cap, you can add your design to your this image here. Okay, but take note, all the designs that you are seeing, all the mockups that you are seeing with the pro sign, okay, this pro sign means that they are not free. Okay, so don't click on any of those ones. So we are going to look at how, if you guys remember, we created a flyer yesterday. We created a flyer, a flyer on how we can get clients. Okay, I'm going to place that flyer on a laptop. Okay, so I'm going to create a mockup for that. So you type laptop, you go to the search here, you type laptop and you search laptop. Okay, you search for laptop and you get different options. Yeah, so you can see it says laptop mockup, so I'll just press on it, laptop mockups, and I'll get a lot of options that I can choose from. Okay, so this site, you get different mockups where you can place your designs. Okay, so it can be a book, it can be a frame, any other thing. Okay, so I want it to look as if I want my design to be real. Okay, so I'm going to choose a mockup such that it looks like a real person is actually viewing the design. Okay, so let me pick one. Let me pick something. Okay, so I want to choose this one. I want to select this one here, the man. So let's see how it goes. Okay, it's loading. You just have to be patient. So we are going to place our design here. Okay, we are going to place our design here. So all you just need to do is go to upload. Okay, go to upload to upload the image. So go upload image so that I can upload the image from my device. Okay, go to your files. Then the next thing is since the design I created it on PicsArt, that means the image should be in my PicsArt folder. So let me go to my gallery, then look for my albums, look for PicsArt. Yeah, this is my PicsArt section. Then this is the image, so I select it. Yeah, so I've selected my image. Okay, so you can see it has been uploaded on the laptop. Okay, so this is how it works. My image has been uploaded on the laptop. So the next thing to do is you just go to download here and download your design, your mockup. Okay, so when you are downloading, to choose the medium. Okay, leave it at medium because the other qualities are not for free. So you choose medium. So you can see how it is. Are you a graphic designer? Contact me on this. You understand? You can choose a different mockup if you want. You can choose this one, then you add your design to it. you can choose this. I think this one is even better. You see, you can choose this, you can choose any of the designs and work on it. Okay, so let me download my design. Yeah, so it has finished downloading. Okay, let's try out the second one to this one and see how it goes. And if you notice, you can see that these designs don't have the crown symbol on it. Okay, so that means that those, I say design, those mockups are free. Okay, so any mockup without the crown, it is free. So don't worry yourself clicking on the mockups with. So you can see how this one too is. Okay, you can see how this one too is. So this one is even better. Okay, this one is even better. So are you looking for a graphic designer? Contact me now on this. Okay, so this mockup, or let's say mockups, make your work look real. Okay, so it looks real. You understand, it looks very real, that a real person is actually did that particular design. Okay, so they give you similar mockups. So similar mockups means that all you just need to do is to choose the one you want, and automatically the image you already uploaded will be placed on the mockup. Okay, so let's go and see. Let's check our downloads and see how it goes. Okay, so you can see that it's very easy. All you just need to do is upload your image and everything is good. Okay, so you can see how it goes. Are you looking for a graphic designer? Contact me now on this. You understand? So that's our design. Okay, that's our design, and that's how to make use of a 3D mockup. You can see it's very easy. Okay, and it makes everything look real. Okay, so that's how you can create a 3D mockup. Okay, so that's all fun.